What's up, Audit fans? Dr. Amanda White here. I have been lucky enough to get a ticket to the Global Roundtable, which is a C-suite executive level discussion today about technology and the future of accounting. And you're going to see some clips I have with some interviews with some really interesting people who are keeping up to date and spreading the word about the impact of technology. And we saw lots of different things, including the importance of cloud accounting, integration and open API, the suite of tools available for accountants up and down the line from all different size practices across all different types of practices is really, really impressive, and it's growing every single day with the amount of fintech and accounting tech, startups. And this integration of technology, of machine learning, of AI means that for students, understanding this in the future is just going to become absolutely super important. What I did take away from today is that definitely in terms of education, we're probably not doing enough to educate our students when it comes to technology and how we can use that technology. There's more I think we can do in terms of hands-on. Obviously there's access issues. How do we get access to software at a reasonable or hopefully no cost? But I think there's a really exciting time ahead. I did talk to a few people about what we think students should be able to do. And the key thing is understanding data and data analytics. So hopefully throughout the conference, I'll be able to chat to some more people about data analytics. But you can at home, if you're thinking there's no data analytics at my university, what can I do? You can start with an Excel course. Learning how to do macros, learning how to do complex Excel functions is a really great start. And then even something like SQL programming, I think, could be really useful because most programming languages and querying languages are built on SQL. So that's it from me today at the Global Roundtable on Technology. Coming up tomorrow is going to be the first day of WCOA. So there's a whole lot of sessions. I'm going to be talking with a whole lot of different people, and hopefully I'll have a day. I'm planning to have a daily vlog. So make sure that if you haven't, click subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.